In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom cursor effect in Wix. We'll be working inside Wix Studio for this example. But the overall process is very straightforward and easy to follow. A custom cursor is a simple way to make your website feel more interactive and visually unique. You can apply it to an entire page, a specific section, or even a single element, depending on the effect you want to create. To get started, open your site in Wix Studio. Once your editor is open, go to the area where you want the custom cursor to appear. This is important because the cursor effect will apply based on what you select. You might choose a full page if you want a consistent effect throughout that page, or a section or element if you only want the custom cursor to appear in a more targeted area. After selecting the page, section, or element, open the inspector panel. You can do that by clicking the arrow icon in the top right corner of your screen. The inspector gives you access to more detailed design and behavior settings. So this is where you will make the cursor changes. Once the inspector panel is open, scroll down until you find the cursor section. This is the area that controls how the cursor looks when someone interacts with the selected part of your site. When you are there, click Add Image or SVG to open the Media Manager. Inside the Media Manager, you have a few options. You can upload your own custom icon if you already have one prepared. Choose from one of the suggested cursor options, or use the AI image generator to create something new. If you are making your own cursor, it's usually best to use a clean, simple design so it stays clear and recognizable at smaller sizes. After choosing your cursor image, click Add to Site. Then use the size slider to control how large the cursor appears. Try not to make it too big, since oversized cursors can feel distracting and may cover important content. A subtle size adjustment usually works best and keeps the experience polished. When everything looks good, click the preview icon in the top right corner to test the effect. You can also check your live site to see how the custom cursor behaves in the real experience. This final check helps you make sure the cursor looks smooth, fits your design, and appears exactly where you intended. And that's it. Thanks for watching.